Now that we have the top plate in and we got a few of our windows in, we're going to show you how a rafter goes on. Now before you put the rafter on, in your kit you have, we call these medallions. Okay, these medallions will accept the uplift hardware. And before we can put the medallion on, these filler blocks are already in your vertical shaped piece. Basically, what this does is 3/4 allows this to stand off from the frame. In a second, we'll show you how the knotty pine goes up in behind there. But in order to ease your installation, we're going to put these filler blocks medallion in first, and then the rafters. So that's what we're going to do. Now, just put a drywall screw in the bottom hole. Keep that medallion flushed up to the top. And then this medallion is exactly equal or flushes out with this vertical. So for there, go ahead and put that in. Okay, and it can just stay in there sort of loose. We're just holding it into place. We're going to put one on the other side, and then we're going to set the rafter. So what's going to happen, these are pre-drilled holes. We're going to give you lag screws or timber screws that go through there and attach that bracket to the rafter. So again, we want the rafter attached to our vertical member. This vertical member is attached to the floor by virtue of all that plywood drop pieces we put in there. So this building can't lift off the ground. Okay, so we're transferring the roof load now also through that rafter. So we don't have any real loading in this area as far as snow load or rafter. All the load is being transferred to the verticals. Okay, again, that's part of the woody log building system. And by using the woody insulated panels, this wall is all done with the exception of putting knotty pine on. So Al will go ahead and put that in. What that drywall screw now will line up with the hole in the hardware. So once we get it up, we get one bolt in, then we pull that out and we can put the other leg screw in. We'll show you that in a second. So in this sequence, we got the top plate on, we got the medallion on, those are attached to our verticals. We got our woody insulated panel in, ready for knotty pine. We're going to get a rafter up here, and then we're going to show you how the electrical works. If you have any further questions, contact us at the information listed.